Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bread jam at home. Mash fruit, add sugar, and bring to a gentle simmer until thick. This method focuses on simple ingredients and predictable results you can rely on. I'll guide you through choosing fruit, testing set, and storing jars so your jam spreads perfectly on toast. Follow my step-by-step cadence, and you'll have delicious bread jam with minimal fuss and big flavor. Start by gathering fruit, sugar, and an acid like lemon juice or citric acid. Wash and chop fruit into even pieces so they cook uniformly and break down predictably. Use a kitchen scale for accurate fruit to sugar ratios and keep a reliable pot and spatula nearby. We'll discuss how to gauge pectin naturally and how to adjust sugar for texture versus sweetness so your bread jam matches your taste. Bring mashed fruit and sugar to a simmer and stir often to prevent scorching. As it reduces, test a chilled plate with a spoonful. If it wrinkles when pushed, it's set. Skim any foam for clarity and transfer hot jam into sterilized jars, leaving a small headspace for expansion. Seal jars while hot, invert briefly to sterilize lids, then cool upright. This process yields a stable, spreadable jam perfect for bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.